Alright, we got another Duramax to work on. 2002 Chevrolet this time. 2500 HD. Customer complains about a really bad smoke coming out of it and a really bad noise coming from it. So right before we start working on it, I wanted to do this video and see if I can share it with you guys. So I'll crank it up and let's see what we think about it. Wait to start. He said it cranks right up. Oops. Big noise. When they got a diagnosed, one shop told him he needed an engine. They went to another shop and told him that they will put another engine in it to fix the problem. Now, tips about the diagnosis is, you see the smoke? It's black smoke. We checked the oil level on it. Oil level is perfect. So it tells me that it's nothing to do with the engine itself. So we'll pull it in the shop and see what we think, or what we find.